Okay, boys and girls, for this week's assignment, we're going to be using our iPads and the Smart Futures app. Now, you're going to log into your Clever with your Clever badge, and somewhere on your Clever screen, you should have this Smart Futures icon. You're going to click on that, and it will take you in, a little bit different than Mrs. Cobenson because hers is a teacher account, but it'll take you into your first screen. And you're going to see a list of activities. You're going to have up at the top Smart Futures. You'll see your name, and you have what's called the dashboard. And on your dashboard, you have all these activities you can complete. And the first one is called My Interests. And when you go into that one, it's going to ask you all things, different things that you like. I've already done mine, so it shows you all the things that I like, but you're going to be instructed to answer some questions, watch a video. Okay, you'll play the video. I'm going to skip through that. Then it's going to ask you your favorite color. I picked green, you can see. It'll ask things like your favorite food. Sorry for that noise. Then it'll ask you for your favorite dessert, animals, what you like most in school. And it's going to ask you about sports and just different things that you like to do for fun. Because it wants to see what you're like, what kind of things you like. You have to choose one before you can go on. Because boys and girls, the things we like now can actually define what we want to be when we grow up. And this is the question it asks you at the end of this lesson is, what do you want to be when you grow up? When I was your age, I wanted to be a circus clown. I love clowns. Some people are afraid of clowns, but not me. I love them. And then it says, what is about this job that you like? And I put that I love entertaining people. Now, boys and girls, if you can't type in your responses, you're going to need to get an adult to help you because you can't leave that blank, okay? So find somebody to help you. And then you're going to submit your response. And then you're going to do, if you want to, you can do the second activity. And really, today you can do as many of these activities as you'd like. There's 15 different activities in total. I don't expect you to do them all today, but you can do as many as you have time for, and you can come back and do them anytime you'd like. Mrs. Cobenson may have another lesson another week about Smart Futures. Hopefully you'll be able to navigate through this pretty easily. It is, designed nicely for your age group. You can see Mrs. Cobenson has a lot of different age groups because I'm a teacher. I have all these different groups of kids to teach, but yours won't look quite like this, but it'll give you an idea of all the lessons that you have to complete. So I hope you have fun with this and good luck. It's important that we work on activities like this, even when we're in kindergarten, first or second grade, because it prepares us for what career we're going to choose when we grow up. Okay? Have fun with the lesson. Good luck.